Yes, good afternoon. Good morning, all. Today's topic of discussion is paper folding and cutting. So this is one of the topic which is added into the GATE syllabus for 2021 batch. It is one of the topic of special aptitude, and I do think that this is one of the simplest topics. Okay, so you can solve the questions on the basis of paper folding and cutting of pattern 2D and 3D dimensions. Okay, so what is the meaning of paper folding and paper cutting? That we'll see first. Then in that there are 2D and 3D patterns. So those 2D and 3D patterns are very simple to fold and cut. So in exam, they may give you specific patterns of paper, and you have to fold that particular pattern, and you have to cut that particular pattern. And after folding and cutting, what kind of image you get, that you have to find out. Obviously, in what way you have to fold it and in what way you have to cut it, that will be given in the problem statement. Okay, so what is the meaning of folding and what is the meaning of cutting, that we'll see. And related to 2D and 3D patterns, what kind of questions are asked. So I have selected specific questions related to the paper folding and cutting. Just you can go through those questions, and we are going to solve those questions here. Actually, those questions are very simple. So let us go for this paper folding and cutting. Okay. Now, let us consider that this is the paper. I will draw the paper over here. This is the paper. So initially, we are folding it. So when you are folding a paper, when you are folding the paper, it is represented by dotted line. It is represented by dotted line. Folding. And when you are cutting the paper, it is represented by solid line. When you are cutting the paper. Okay, so in the problem statement, the paper will be given to you and it will be folded by a dotted line, and it will be means we are cutting that paper through solid line. Okay, so this is a dotted line and solid line. So let us consider that this is a paper and we are folding it. Okay, so through center I am folding it. So when you fold it, what kind of image you get? This is the paper and we are folding it. After folding, what you get? We get image like this. Because I'm folding it from center, so we get the image like this. So this is the paper. Then again, we are folding this paper through center. So this is the folded version. It is shown by dotted line. So again, we are folding it. After folding means we are folding it here. We are folding it here. Okay. So this is the folded version of the paper. Then we are cutting in the center. When we are cutting in the center, let us consider that I'm forming one circle in the center. This is cutting. This is folding. Okay. So this is cutting. This is folding. Now it is asked, after unfolding the paper, what kind of image you get. After unfolding the paper, what kind of image you get. Such a kind of questions are asked in the aptitude. Okay, the manner in which you have folded it, in same manner you have to unfold that paper, right? The manner in which you have folded it, in same manner you have to unfold it. So we have folded it Means this is the original paper. We have folded it like this. Then we have folded it like this, and then we are cutting over here. So after unfolding, what kind of image you get? So if I have this is what the folded version of the paper, and here we are cutting it. So we are unfolding it. So first of all, we have to unfold it. When you unfold it, so you get such a kind of image, right? And here we have circle. Then we have to again unfold it. Okay. So this total portion we are going to unfold. This total portion we are going to unfold. So when I unfold it, so what kind of image you get? This is the unfolded version, right? So here you get circle. Here also you get circle. Okay. So this is the unfolded version. Actually, there is no straight line over here. So only four circles we can get it in the paper, right? Only circles we can get it in the paper. And the actual unfolded version is like this. So this is what the unfolded version of the paper when we are cutting it and we are folding it. So this is unfolded version. So in the exam, they are giving you the uh, folding and cutting. Folding it is done through the dotted line, and cutting is done through the solid line. So this is what the image you get after unfolding the paper, right? Now this is one of the simplest question we can say, because I have marked a circle over here, and then we are going for the unfolding, and then we get such a kind of image, right? In the exam, critical questions are asked, and you have to imagine yourself, and after unfolding the paper, what kind of image you get, that you have to find out in the exam. Okay, so forming or calculating or deriving the correct image, it is very difficult, because all the options in the answer seems to be same. So you have to apply your logic, you have to apply the, I will say, the imagination power, and then you have to find out the correct answer. So this is what the basic is. So folding is, it is denoted by dotted line, and cutting it is denoted by solid line. Then one question here we have, and then we have to find out the correct answer. Okay, so let us go for the numericals on the basis of this. So you'll come to know that what kind of questions are asked on the basis of folding and cutting, right? So this is the first question. Choose a figure which would most Okay, the manner in which we have folded it, in the same manner we have to unfold it, right? So yeah, so I have shown you this is what the folding is, the folding and cutting, and the manner in which we have folded it is in the same manner we have to unfold it. So how to unfold it? It is very easy, as I told you. Just you have to find out the mirror image. So how do you find out the mirror image? So draw the mirror image of the folded version. So we are drawing the mirror image. So this is what the mirror image of the folded version. Similarly, you can draw the mirror image of the folded version. Then here we have the mirror. So we have to keep the mirror over here. We have to keep the mirror over here, and then we have to draw the mirror image. So assume that here we have kept the mirror image. Here we have kept the mirror image. So which is the correct answer? Option number 3 is the correct answer. Okay, so C is the right answer. So in an exam, if you draw it on paper, that will be better. Or you have to imagine it, because it's all about your logic and it's all about your imagination. How do you perform your imagination after unfolding it? So it is difficult to draw it on paper because GATE exam, it is online exam. So it is difficult to draw it on paper. So it is better to imagine what kind of image you get. And if you draw it on paper, the simple image it is given to you, if you draw it on paper, that will be better. Okay, then go for next. Choose a figure which would most closely resemble the unfolded form of figure Z. So this is the figure Z. Actual image is X. This is the actual image. We are folding it here. Okay, this is what the folded version. And then this is first time we are folding. This is second time we are folding. So this is the folded version. And then we are cutting over here. So this is cutting. So you need to remember where we have the cutting of the paper. It is very, very important. This is what the important thing is, that the manner in which we are cutting the paper, in same manner we have to unfold it and you have to show the cutting of the paper, right? So you can unfold it first. So first of all, you can go for the unfolding. This is what the unfolding. Here we have the V shape, right? And here we have folded, so means we can get the tangent over here, or we can say the slope. Then okay, in same manner you can unfold the second part of the paper. So this is the V shape, and then we have the slope, and then we can get such a kind of image. So I'm getting this image. You have to find out such a kind of image in the 4 option. Obviously, this option is not correct. Okay, this is somewhat same, but if I observe over here, here we have some angle. So this is not correct. Obviously, this is not correct. So option number B is correct. So here we have the proper shape, and this tangent is over here. This slope is over here. This slope is over here. So option number B is correct. B is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. Go for next. So again, one paper it is given to you. We are folding it. So dotted line shows folding. This is the dotted line. We are folding it through this point. So when you fold it, here we have the folding. So after folding, this is what the folding, and triangle we have formed, and one it is nothing but this U shape we are forming, means we are cutting, right? Now this is very important. When you fold it and when you cut it in same manner, we have to unfold it. So we can go for unfolding. Now when you go for unfolding, this is the unfolded. This is the triangle. So you have to draw the mirror image of this triangle. So what is the mirror image of this triangle? So this is the mirror image. Okay. And this U will look like this. So obviously there is a space. Okay. Then again, we have to unfold this. When you unfold this, so initially uh, we are unfolding this to upside, then downside. So you have to draw the mirror image of this portion. You have to draw the mirror image of this portion. Okay. So this triangle will be opposite. Okay. This U is look like this. Then this triangle look like this. Then again here we have the U shape. Similarly, this triangle, you have to draw the mirror image of this triangle. So this is what the mirror image of the triangle. This is what the mirror image of this triangle. Then here we have the U shape and here we have the U shape. Now, so we have six U shape we have, right? And all are in this sequence. This is what 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, opposite to each other. So this is not correct. So here we have 1, 2, 3. This is one maybe similar to the our answer. 6 U's you should. This is not correct. So out of 2 and 3, maybe one option is correct. But these triangles are we have drawn the mirror image of the triangle. So triangles are not in same direction. So here we have all triangles in the same direction, means option number 4 is not correct. So obviously option number 2 is correct. So here you can observe it is almost the same image we are getting, means option number B is correct. Option number B is correct. Okay, go for next. Again, this is one of the simplest questions. Choose a figure which would most closely resemble the unfolded form of the figure Z. Okay, so presentation is not visible. Just a minute. Is it visible to you now? Please check. Okay, maybe network issue due to that. Suddenly, yeah. So in between, I lost the connection. Due to that, it was not possible to show the presentation. Okay, now it is okay. So in brief, I'll tell you this. So I have shown you this. This is a simpler diagram. First diagram I have shown you. This is second, and then this one is the third one. So you might have missed this. Again, I'll explain you because it is simple one. Yeah. So This is the figure we are folding it from upper side, lower side, and then again from middle we are folding it. So then we have formed the triangle over here, and this is U shape. So you have to unfold it. So you can unfold it the manner in which we have folded it. So in same manner we have to unfold it. So then we can have the unfolded version like this. This is the unfolded version. Mirror image you have to draw. The triangle which is shown over here, this will look like this is the proper image, and you will be like this. Then you have to draw the mirror image of this total portion. You can draw the mirror image. So this is U, this is U. Okay. While drawing this triangle, you need to take care of this thing that the proper mirror image you should get. So you have to draw the mirror image of this triangle. So what kind of image you get? This is what the image is. Okay. This is what the image is. Right. And this is U shape. Then again, this U we have. When you are drawing the mirror image of this triangle, so what kind of image you get? This is what the image is. Okay. Now, as I told you, there are 6 U's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 U's you should get from which are opposite to each other. So here we don't have 6 U's. Then here we don't have 6 U's. So here we have the U shape. But the triangle here they have shown it is in the same direction. Actually, it is in the opposite direction. That's why this is not correct. So option number 2 is correct. Means B is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. It is somewhat same as that of our answer. Go for next. Okay. Choose a figure which would most closely resemble the unfolded form of the figure. That again the same thing. The manner in which we have folded it is in same manner you can unfold it, right? So how do you unfold it? This is the triangle we are folding it. This is the triangle we are folding it. Then uh, again we are folding it. The folding it is shown by dotted line, and the cutting it is shown by solid line. And then we are marking the circle over here. This is what the circle over here, and then here we have the triangle. So draw the mirror image of this. You can draw the mirror image. Okay, this is a circle. This is a circle, right? And this triangle. So you have to draw the mirror image of this triangle. This is what the mirror image. Then we have to unfold this much of portion you have to unfold it. This much of portion we have to unfold it. Though these two circles, here we are. These two circles here we are. So in all we have 8 circles and 2 triangles are there. Right? So which option is correct? 8 circle and 2 triangles. So this is the option. Option number 2 is correct. Right? Means B is the correct answer. Option number B is the correct answer. If you observe the option number 1, 3, and 4, in that here we have 4 circle, means this is not correct, and even the unfolded version it is not shown properly. Here the 4 triangles. Means in all we have 6 triangles. Actually, we don't have the 6 triangles. Here only we have 2 triangles. So this is not correct. So try to eliminate the answer. So if you eliminate the answer properly, you can get the correct option. Okay, go for next. So this is another simple question. Triangle it is there. Then we are folding small portion of triangle. Okay, so this is the folded version, this is the folded version, and here we are marking one small triangle. Okay, so as I told you, the manner in which we have folded it, in same manner we have to unfold it. So unfold this. If I unfold this, you get this page. Okay, and this small triangle will look like this. So actually we have folded, this is what the half portion we have folded. Then we have to unfold this. We have to unfold it. So when you unfold this, you get the image like this. right? So option number 4, it is somewhat same as that of our answer. Here we have two slots. Actually, this is nothing but the cutting. This is nothing but the cutting. So here they have shown 3 cut portion. This is also not correct. This is also not correct. Option number 4, it is somewhat same as that of our answer. Option number D is correct. Okay. Go for next. Now this is one of the simplest question. You can find out answer very easily. Applying the logic, you can find out the answer. Just you have to apply the logic. How do you apply the logic? It is very important. Square it is given to you, then we have formed triangle. After forming the triangle, then again we have formed the square. Then again we have formed the triangle. Okay. But while forming the square and triangle, what we have done, here we have cut. This is nothing but the cutting, small cutting over there. Okay. So only one time cutting is there. This is the cutting. This is the cutting. Right. But in option, there are some options where you have 2 times cutting. Right. So here we have 2 times, means obviously this cut is not correct. This is also not correct. Right. So out of 2 and 3, here also we have 2 times cutting, means this is also not correct. Obviously option number 2 is correct. Because only one slot we are cutting. So this is the cut portion. This is the cut portion. So when you are cutting single time, reflection should show the cutting single time. Right. So in cutting here we have 2 times. Here also we have 2 times. So here we have 1 time cutting. So that's why this option is correct. Option number B is correct. So there is no need to check out the answer. Even if you check out the answer, you can get the same analysis. If I unfold it, obviously here you get the cut. If I unfold this, here you get the cut. Okay. So logically, if you think about the options, option number B is correct. Okay. Go for next. This is one of the question was asked in the aptitude test, and recently this was asked in one of the aptitude test of I'll say it is in one of the aptitude test of company. Multinational company conducts the aptitude test. In that, this question was asked. So image it is given to you. We have folded it. So this is what the folded version. Then again we are folding it, and where is the cut? This is the cut portion. Okay, this is the cut portion. Means this square is converted into triangle, and this is the small patch we have. This is the small patch we have. This is the small patch where we are cutting. Now, as I told you, the manner in which you have folded it, in same manner you have to unfold it. So you can unfold it. So first of all, I have to unfold it from this side. Okay, this square will be here, and the patch then you have to unfold this total image here. Okay, so this is what the square is. This is what the square is. This is what the square is, and this is the small patch. Okay, so 4 patches are there and 4 squares are there. So 4 patches are there. So here we have 2 patches, means this is not correct, right? Here we have 4 patches, but the triangle it is, sorry, square it is in zigzag manner. So this is also not correct. Here we have 2. 2 square, so this is also not correct. So option number D is correct. See how simple question is asked in the aptitude. Just you have to imagine yourself. After imagining yourself, you can find out the correct answer very easily. As I told you, this is asked in one of the company specific aptitude tests, and such a kind of questions are asked in the gate. Okay. Next. Choose a figure which would most closely resemble the unfolded form of the figure. Then again the same thing, again square it is given to you, it is converted into triangle, triangle it is converted into the another triangle. This triangle has got the cutting area like this. Okay, so when you uncut this, this is what the unfold, I'll say I'll unfold, this is the unfolded version. Right, this is the unfolded version. Then again from upper side, this is the unfolded version. Then we have to unfold this. You have to draw the mirror image, that's all. If you draw the mirror image, and if you are very good in imagination, you can find out the correct answer. So I'm showing you the correct analysis over here. This is what the correct analysis, and yeah, you can imagine yourself and you can find out the correct answer within 10 seconds. So option number 4 is not correct. Option number 3, option number 1 is not correct. Option number 2 and 3, out of these two, one option may be correct. But option number 3, here we have these, this is somewhat wrong portion. So this is not correct. Option number 2 is correct. Means B is the correct answer. B is the right answer. Okay. Go for next. Now, here we are hexagon. We are folding it from this side. Then again, we are folding these two triangles, and then we are cutting over here. So this is very, very simple. The manner in which you have folded it, the same manner you have to unfold it. That's all. So you can unfold this. This is a triangle over here. Then again, you have to unfold this. So we don't have any cutting over here. So this is what done. Right. Then you have to unfold this. And here you get small rectangle. So option number, here we have 4 rectangles. This is not correct. This is not correct. This is not correct. So option number 3 means C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. Option C is the right answer. Next, square triangle. Then we are forming the, we are cutting the paper. So how do you cut the paper? See, this is what the cutting. This is what the cutting, and this is what the cutting. Now unfold it. So when you unfold it, here you get the cutting portion. This is what the cutting portion, and this half, it is a triangle. So you will get the triangle like this. And this is the complete portion you get. Then you have to unfold this. The same image you get over here. This is what unfolded version. And this total square, you can get it here. So such a kind of figure we have to search it in the option. So option, obviously A is not correct. Here we have circle, but triangles are not proper. Here we have circle, but these triangles are not in the proper shape. So option number C is correct. C is the correct answer. Next. So again, there is a triangle, then we are forming the triangle, then we are cutting it. So small cut over here it is. So just you have to imagine which option may be correct. But while forming the correct option, you have to select the correct option because here we have triangle. So if I draw the mirror image of this, what you get? You get such a kind of triangle. Okay. Now, this is what the triangle is. First of all, we have to unfold this. So this is the unfolded version. And this triangle, the direction of this triangle is like this. Then you have to unfold this. The direction of the triangle is like this. Then we have to unfold this. The direction of triangle is like this. So option number. So all triangles are in opposite direction. So that's why this is not correct. This is not correct. Is this somewhat saying? No, this is also not correct. Option number C. C is correct. C is the correct answer. Option C is the right answer. Okay, go for next. Now this is one of the simple question. You can find out the answer very easily. So, okay, this is the question which was asked in one of the competitive exams. Select the correct mirror image of the given figure when the mirror is placed to right of the figure. So this is the mirror. You can show this mirror here. So when the mirror it is placed to right, what kind of image you get? So whenever you have the numbers or alphabet, you have to draw the mirror image of that alphabet or number. So whatever we have at the right side that goes to left side, whatever we have at the left side that goes to right side. Okay, this is what the analysis in the mirror image. So you can draw the mirror image of this. It's very easy to find out the mirror image. Draw the mirror. So this is at right side. This goes to left side over here. This is P. This P will look like Q. Then this M look like this. Then this 7, you have to draw the mirror image of 7. So 7 is like this. So it is drawn in the proper way. But when it is it is shown in the mirror, you have to draw the opposite of that. Okay. And the R. So R will look like. Okay. So which option is correct? So this is QM. This is what option number A is seems to be correct. This is option number A is correct. Right. You have to draw the mirror image. So it is placed to right side. So we have kept the mirror over here and we have drawn the mirror image of the given code. So it is one of the code. So Q and 7 it is in opposite manner and R it is also in the opposite manner. So this is what option number A is correct. Okay. Then we will go for another question. This is what the square, again triangle. Then here we have the small square and triangle, circle it is there. You can unfold this. Right. So when you unfold this, what kind of image you get that you have to draw, or you can imagine yourself what kind of image you get. This circle and square will come to this side, then again it will move towards the upper side. So what kind of image you get that you can imagine. Here we have the circle, then here we have the circle, here also we have circle, this square will be here, this square will be here. Means option number C seems to be correct. Third option is correct, means option number C is correct. This is what the correct answer is. Now we'll go for next. This is simple question which was asked in one of the aptitude tests of the competitive exam. Just you have to imagine yourself and you have to find out the correct answer. Where it is there, then triangle it is there, then we have cut the portion over here and we have to unfold it. So after unfolding it, what kind of image you get? So these two circles will be over here. And then we have to unfold this triangle. So here we have the 4 circles. Right. So these 4 circles from the lower side and upper side means option number D is correct. Okay. I'll go for next. Now this is a simple question. You can find out the answer easily. This is square, then folding it. So this is the square. We are folding it from this side, and small. After that, here we have the folded version. This is what the folded version, and this is cutting. Right. So when you unfold it, here you get the circle. Here you get the circle. Means 4, 4, 4, 8, 8 plus 8, 16 circle you should get. Means option number A is correct. A is the correct answer. Okay. Now, we will go for another type of question. This is 3D shape. Which of the cube are possible after folding a paper? Now, this is a paper and we have to fold it. And after folding a paper, what kind of cube you get? Okay. So this is a paper. Just you have to write the number on this because the specific symbol it is mentioned on this. So this is the unfolded form of cube. Unfolded form of cube. So what I am going to do, I am going to write the number over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These are the numbers. Now when you fold it, which side we will have the opposite value? Which side we will have this opposite value? Means when you fold it, so this portion will go down, this portion will go down, this portion will go down, this portion will go down. Okay. So two opposite faces of the cube that we have to find out. So when I fold this, we have the 2 and 4 are in opposite manner. Then when I fold this, 1 and 5 in opposite manner, and 3 and 6 are opposite manner. Okay. So which of the cube are possible after folding it is asked. Now what we have to do, you have to observe the options, that's all, and you have to find out the answer. So this is the 4th number, right? So this is 3 number and this is 1 number. Now 4. Opposite of 4 it is 2. So 2 it is not available, means here we cannot observe the 2 over here. Then 3, opposite of 3 it is 6. So 6 is also not there. Then 1, 1 it is there, opposite of 1 it is 5. So whether you have 5, no, means this is the correct die. Okay, then you can go for second. 1 it is there, what is the opposite of 1? 5. So it is adjacent. Opposite of 1 it is 5, but 5 it is adjacent, right? Means this is not the proper cube. Then 1, what is the opposite of 1? 5. So obviously 5 will be there. Then 4, what is the opposite of 4? It is 2. So 2 it is not shown over here, means it is the proper dice. Then 6, 6, what is the opposite of 6? 3. So see, 3 it is not shown over here, means this is the correct answer. Then 1, what is the opposite of 1? It is 5. So 5 it is not shown over here. 4, what is the opposite of 4? It is 2. 2 it is not shown over here. 3, what is the opposite of 3? It is 6. So which is the standard dice A, C and D? So option number A, C and D are correct. Option number A, C and D are correct. This is what the multiple select question. So in the gate this time, or IIT Bombay has added multiple select questions. You may get the more than one option. Okay, you may get more than one option. So it is called as a multiple select question. Right? Now next. From the given option, which answer figure can be formed by folding the figure given in the question? So whenever such a kind of questions are asked, first of all, we have to find out the opposite faces. Okay. So here already numbers are given to you, right? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. So what is the opposite of 1? The opposite of 1, it is 5. Then what is the opposite of 2? Opposite of 2, it is 4. And what is the opposite of 6? 6. Opposite of 6, it is 3. Means when you throw the dice, you should get such a kind of analysis. Okay. So just you have to identify what are the opposite faces. So what is the opposite face of 1? It is 5. Opposite face of 2, it is 4. And opposite face of 6, it is 3. Now, you have to find out from the option which is the correct die. Here we have 1 and 5. 1 and 5 are opposite. But here they are shown adjacent, means this is not correct. Okay. Then 2 and 4. 2 and 4, they have shown adjacent, means this is not correct. Then 1, what is the opposite of 1? It is 5. 5 is not there. 6, what is the opposite of 6? It is 3. 3 is not there. What is the opposite of 4? 4, it is 2, means this is correct. Okay. Then 6, what is the opposite of 6? It is 3, but 3 it is shown, which is adjacent. Okay, means this is not correct. So what is the proper form of the dice? The proper form of the dice is option number 3. 3 is the right answer. Okay, go for next. Again, this is somewhat same as that of a previous problem. Just you have to form the correct analysis. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have already written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Instead of drawing this kind of image, you can number it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the opposite of 1? 1, it is 5. What is the opposite of 3? It is 6. And what is the opposite of 2? It is 4. So just you have to number this. This is what it is 6. This is the cross it is 2, and this is circle, it is 5. So opposite of 6 it is 3, opposite of 2 it is 4, opposite of 5 it is 1. It is not shown over here, means this is the correct option. Okay, opposite of 6 it is 3, opposite of 5 is 1, 1 it is not there, and opposite of 2 it is 4, so it is not shown over here. So such a kind of questions are asked in the aptitude test of gate as well as company, right? So we'll stop here. Thanks for attending the session.